Need a brighter way to lighten your yard without running electrical wires? This solar street light might be exactly what you're looking for. This 106-inch outdoor solar street light features 692 bright LEDs, a motion sensor, remote control, waterproof design, and DC backup charging. What I love the most is that it comes as a complete kit with the aluminum pole and fillable base, so you have everything you need to get it set up. The motion sensor automatically adds extra light when movement is detected, while the remote lets you control settings without climbing a ladder. I also like that it's solar powered, so there's no wiring required, and the DC backup charging gives you another charging option when needed. I received this product for honest feedback, and if you're looking for an easy way to brighten up your driveway, your pathway, yard, or outdoor space, this is definitely worth checking out. The link is in the description.